And so guys, to stay tuned with my God of Techniques YouTube channel, please like and subscribe and press upon the bell icon and press on all, and by doing this you can stay tuned with my YouTube channel, and please share with your friends. Hi guys, welcome to the God of Techniques YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install and play Free Fire on your PC with the help of the most advanced and best emulator, which is the MSI emulator. And I always recommend you to install and play Free Fire or any other game through the help of an emulator, because it just takes a few seconds to install an emulator and then to install any other game in it. But if you go to install the game without any emulator, then you find it a bit difficult and tricky, and then it has also proven impossible for many others too. Now guys, I'll be showing you what happens if we try to install Free Fire or any other game without an emulator. So first let us go to Google Play. There it is. And now let us search for Free Fire. There it is. And now if you click upon install, it will not be installing and this button will be disabled. As you can see, I am not getting any notification as such because it is disabled. And so this happens if you don't have any emulator and if you try to install it. And now if you have an emulator, then it is easy to install it. It will just take a few seconds. Now guys, I will be installing the most advanced emulator, which is the MSI emulator. Please type MSI emulator installation, then ignore all such results, and then you can get this result saying MSI app player, Android emulator, Steamless mobile gaming, and I will also be sharing the link in the description box. Please check it. And now such an interface opens up over here. Then click upon download MSI app player. Okay, so it is asking for 32-bit or 64-bit. Now you have to download the size which is convenient for you, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, and it also supports Windows 10, 8 and 7, as you can see over here, and also XP. And I will be selecting 64-bit as it is convenient for me. Okay, so here it is installing. The zip file is installing over here. It says that it needs at least a minimum of 2 GB RAM, and ensure whether your PC is of 2 GB RAM. And so it is installing. Let us wait guys. Okay guys, so the zip file needed for the installation of the app has been Okay guys, so the zip file needed for the installation of the app has been downloaded over here. Let us open it, and as you can see, it has opened over here. Let us click upon it. And at first time while you are opening it, this dialog box opens up saying that Windows cannot complete the extraction. The destination file could not be created. You need not worry for anything. You have to just press OK. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is extracting, and it is extracting since it is a zip file. As you know, zip files need to be extracted at first, because zip files are locked and the contents in it should be extracted when we are opening it. So it is getting extracted over here. Okay, it is completed. Okay guys, so a dialog box opens up and you need to press OK upon it. And now wait for some time, it will get opened up. Okay guys, it has opened. Now let us click upon install now. Okay guys, so it is installing. Let us wait. Okay guys, so it is about to finish. Okay guys, so it is 100% now. Okay guys, so the installation has been completed and it is showing us to launch. So let us launch it. Let us wait for it to open guys. Okay guys, so it is opened. And now telling that the first boot may take up to 2 to 3 minutes depending upon our PC's performance. And so to boost up your PC's performance, you need to clear your RAM. And in order to clear your RAM, you have to delete some programs. And the same is said over here. It is saying that you may experience low performance with MSI App Player due to low available RAM. Please consider closing some programs and continue. So if your RAM is too high, then please make it low, and to make it low you have to delete some programs. And now I will press upon continue anyway, and it is starting. Let us wait. Okay guys, now to install Free Fire, the first step is to click on Google Play Store. Okay guys, so it is asking for us to sign in. We have to sign in through our Gmail account. Okay guys, so now I am signing in through my Gmail account. Okay guys, so I have finished entering my email ID. Now I have to enter my password. Okay guys, so now I have finished entering my password. Now we will click upon I agree. So we are getting signed in guys. Let us wait. Now we have to click upon accept guys. Okay, so now let us come back. Okay, now the Google Play Store has been enabled and it is opening through the emulator. Now over here I'll search for Free Fire. Want to stay in the loop, we'll let you know when new deals and updates are available, and you have to click upon yes, I am in. Now I will be searching for Free Fire in the search bar. Now here it is. Let us click upon it, and as you can see the install button has been enabled since I have installed an emulator in my PC, and if I didn't have any emulator then it will be disabled, but now I have the MSI emulator, so it has been enabled, and let us click upon it. So it is downloading guys. Okay friends, so 100% of the installation has been completed. Now it is downloading and installing. Let us wait. Okay guys, so it has been installed and downloaded. Let us open it. So it is opening. Let us wait. Okay guys, so as you can see the game has been opened. Now it is asking for the permission. Click upon allow for all the permissions. Okay guys, so it is installed and it has been opened and it is downloading. It is downloading once again over here. It is downloading all of its resources. Okay guys, so let us go to full screen, and if you have to go to the full screen then you have to press the F11 key. So I have gone to the full screen, and you have to exit the full screen, then you have to press upon the F11 key once again. Okay, so the downloading of the resources has almost been completed. Let us wait. So now guys, the homepage of the Free Fire game has been opened, as you can see. Now if you have your Facebook account banded with the Free Fire game, then you have to click upon sign in with Facebook, or if you have your Gmail account banded with your Free Fire game, then you have to press upon more. Mine is Gmail account, so I am pressing on more, and I am pressing on Google. So it is asking our email address. Let us type it. It is asking our password, so let us enter our password guys. Okay guys, so I am getting signed in. Okay guys, so let us tap to begin. And so you can easily install and play Free Fire through the MSI App Player emulator. You can also record your screen by clicking upon this option, record screen option, and you can also take a screenshot by clicking upon this option. And now if you want to install and play Free Fire, then you should have an emulator, and please install this MSI App emulator. And then you have to come to your MSI App Player, and over there you have to go to Google Play Store and install Free Fire over there. And once installed, then the Free Fire logo will be displayed upon the homepage of the MSI App Player emulator. And you have to go to the homepage, and over there you can see Free Fire's logo, and you have to click upon it. And
તારા બાપાએ ભેંસો લઈ આલી આપડી આટલી થઈ એ લોકોની આટલી એટલે બાજુ તો બુરો હારા નોબડા જેવું રમે તું આકુરા નોબડી નોબડી હટ હા ચોટે છે એટલે ઉઠવાને દઈએ Hola. Con nào tim á? Con toàn vi vượt xem mà. Nó mà mình con nó này đẹp đẹp mà pen aki. Nó કેટલો રો દઈ ગયો હું એવું આવે નેચર ઘાટ વાયુ બંધી નહીં ઓય તે એક જ દાવ કીધેલું મારે આવી મારા પહોંચાડું છું કો લઈને જા પણ જવાશે લઈ લે વટ નોબળા યુ કરસ નોબળું છું એવું પણ આ નોબળો કઈશ તું જો તો ચડી નથી એવું